Welcome to Newscope Daily TV. Tonight, Quebec faces a historic political shakeup as Premier François Legault announces he will step down as both Prime Minister and leader of the Coalition Avenir Québec, or CAQ. This decision marks the end of an era for Quebec politics, coming after a year of declining poll numbers, internal party challenges, and rising momentum for the Parti québécois. We'll take you through Legault's political rise, the policies that define this government, the reasons behind his departure, and what the future may hold for Quebec. Stay with us, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video to keep others informed. François Legault, who has led Quebec as Premier since 2018, confirmed that he will step aside. In a public statement earlier today, Legault said, "I want the next election to focus on the challenges Quebec faces, not on dissatisfaction with me." He also clarified that he will remain in office until the CAQ elects a new leader, ensuring a smooth transition for the provincial government. The announcement comes amid a turbulent year for the CAQ. Polling shows the party has fallen to third place, a sharp decline from its overwhelming majority win in 2018. Analysts suggest that internal tensions within the party and fears of potential resignations or defections influenced Legault's decision to step down now. To understand the impact of Legault's departure, we need to look back at his rise to power. In 2018, the CAQ broke the decades-long dominance of the Liberals and the Parti québécois. By uniting conservative nationalist voters, the party secured a majority government, promising change and focusing on Quebec identity, economic growth, and healthcare reform. Legault's leadership style, combining pragmatic governance with a focus on Quebec nationalism, helped reshape the province's political landscape. But now, with the CAQ support winning, the party faces a crossroads. Over the past year, the CAQ has seen a dramatic drop in support. Polls show the party trailing behind the Parti québécois and the Liberals, with voter confidence eroding. Political analysts note that party insiders feared potential resignations, refusals to run again, and increasing difficulty governing effectively. This turbulence, combined with public dissatisfaction, made Legault's position increasingly untenable. By stepping down, he hopes to give the CAQ time to rebuild and present a renewed platform for the upcoming election. Legault's time in office was marked by several major legislative actions, notable among them, Bill 21, which bans public servants in certain positions from wearing religious symbols. Bill 96, aimed at strengthening French language laws in Quebec. Bill 2, which reformed physician compensation by tying pay to performance metrics. These policies have left a lasting mark on Quebec, shaping debates on secularism, language, and healthcare. Supporters argue they reinforced Quebec identity and efficiency, while critics say some measures were divisive. Now, attention turns to the future leadership of the CAQ. With Legault's departure, party unity could be fragile. There's speculation about potential successors, and some observers even mention the possibility of an outsider entering the race, though nothing has been confirmed. The choice of a new leader will not only determine the CAQ strategy for the next election, but could also redefine the party's identity and priorities moving forward. The political stakes extend beyond the CAQ. Polls indicate the Parti québécois currently leads, and its leadership has signaled that, if elected, they may pursue a third referendum on Quebec sovereignty. However, analysts note that only around one-third of Quebecers support independence, highlighting a divided electorate. How voters respond to the leadership change in the CAQ could determine Quebec's direction on key issues, from identity and language to potential sovereignty debates. Reactions from other parties have been respectful. Liberal and PQ leaders acknowledged Legault's service and highlighted the weight of his responsibilities as Premier. Looking ahead, Quebec must hold a provincial election by October 5 to 6 and 6. The next few months will be crucial as parties prepare, and voters consider both leadership and policies before casting their ballots. François Legault's resignation marks a pivotal moment in Quebec politics. As the CAQ navigates this transition and other parties position themselves for the next election, the coming months will shape the province's future. Stay tuned to Newscope Daily TV for continuous updates on Quebec's political landscape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family to keep them informed. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next broadcast with more in-depth coverage of Quebec and Canadian politics.